When an annoying fly finds its way into your home, your initial instinct is to grab a fly swatter. Yet, it's a frustratingly common occurrence that the fly manages to elude you, leaving you perplexed. You'll be wondering about the astonishing speed it moves. Perhaps you've even entertained the thought that it can somehow read your mind while you chase it around your house. However, before diving into those questions, let's familiarize ourselves with flies. Flies belong to the insect order Diptera, derived from the Greek term meaning two wings. These insects rely on a single pair of wings for flight, with a mobile head, equipped with large compound eyes and specialized mouthparts for piercing and sucking. Flies possess distinctive characteristics. Going back, how is it possible that these small creatures, with their tiny brains, can effortlessly outsmart us? The reason behind this is that flies perceive the world at a much slower pace compared to humans. The vision of a fly is crucial in its skillful evasion of swatting or spraying attempts. With their wide field of vision, flies can detect an approaching threat from any direction. However, it is their brain that truly takes center stage in this regard. To illustrate this, let's consider a clock with a ticking hand. As a human, you perceive the clock ticking at a certain speed, but for most fly species, each tick would appear to drag by approximately 4 times more slowly. Essentially, the perception of time varies depending on the species. This phenomenon occurs because animals perceive their surroundings as a continuous video, even though the images sent from their eyes to the brain are actually processed in distinct flashes occurring a fixed number of times per second. Humans, on average, experience about 60 flashes per second. Flies, on the other hand, perceive a whopping 250 flashes per second. The rate at which these images are processed by the brain is referred to as the flicker fusion rate. Generally, smaller species have a higher critical flicker fusion rate, and flies, in particular, surpass us in this aspect. Despite our perception of swatting as a quick action, flies perceive our movements as slow and sluggish through their eyes. Another remarkable aspect of flies is their flying abilities. Flies exhibit impressive aerobatics, effortlessly executing razor-sharp turns at high speeds. This remarkable maneuverability is made possible by a specialized pair of wings known as halters, derived from the Greek word for dumbbell, which aptly describes their shape. Unlike other insects such as bees, butterflies, and dragonflies, which possess 4 wings and lack halters, flies possess both a pair of wings and halters. Halters are evolutionary remnants of wings, but they do not generate lift. Instead, they serve as sensory organs. They play a vital role in enabling flies to achieve swift takeoffs and maintain stability during flight. When a fly executes a turn, its halters detect the rotational motion. Within a fraction of a second, neurons located at the base of the halters transmit information to the fly's muscles, allowing it to adjust the movement of its wings and keep its head steady. When these two advantages are combined, it results in the impressive speed and agility of flies. How's your accuracy in swatting or catching a fly? Let me know in the comment section. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to help me grow the channel. Liking and sharing the video is also a great help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.